In this video, I'll guide you through how to update custom profile properties in Klaviyo. Whether you're refining your customer data for improved targeting or simply want to ensure your records are up to date, understanding how to modify custom profile properties is essential. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're there, locate the search bar situated at the very top. This is your gateway to finding any contact within your database. Here, you can type in the name or email address of the contact whose profile you wish to update. It's a handy tool that streamlines the process of locating specific profiles, especially when you have a vast list of contacts. After you've typed in the contact's details, hit Enter to initiate the search. Shortly, you should see the contact appear in the results. Click on their name to open up their profile view dashboard. This dashboard presents a comprehensive overview of the contact's interactions, details, and preferences. It's a powerful feature of Klaviyo that allows you to manage and analyze customer information efficiently. Once you're in the profile view dashboard, scroll down the page. You'll initially pass by the core details, which include basic information such as the contact's name and email address. Keep scrolling until you spot the card labeled Information. This section is where Klaviyo houses a variety of data related to the contact, including the custom profile properties. Within the information block, focus on the subsection called Custom Properties. This is the area where you can add, view, and edit any personalized data fields you've created for your contacts. Custom properties are particularly useful for storing additional, unique information that isn't covered by the standard fields in Klaviyo. Now, identify the specific custom property you'd like to update. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over that property. You'll notice a pencil icon or an edit button appear next to it. This icon is your cue that the field is editable. Click on this icon to proceed with the update. A text box will appear, allowing you to type in the new value for the custom property. This is your chance to make the necessary changes, whether it's correcting an error, updating outdated information, or adjusting details to better fit the current data strategy. After entering the new value, it's crucial to click the Save button. This step ensures that your changes are recorded and the contact's profile is updated accordingly. Without saving, any modifications you make will not be retained, so don't skip this vital part of the process. And there you have it, a straightforward method to update custom profile properties in Klaviyo. By keeping your customer data current and accurate, you can enhance your marketing efforts and improve customer engagement. Remember, the key to successful communication is knowing your audience, and maintaining precise records is a big part of that. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more tips on mastering Klaviyo.